Rob from Dunnyville Loft got back here at the house now. There's 8 out of 13 back. They went towards the opposite way, and then they broke up a little bit, and about 4 of them, I think, there's 4 of them headed straight back here, and then 3 of them kind of broke off and went to the south over the tree line. And then I waited a long time until I didn't see any. Well, not a long time, I had probably about 15 minutes. And I let the second bunch out, the group of 6. As soon as I let them up, they did like 2 circles and headed straight towards the loft. And it looked like the ones that went south caught up with them. So, but then by the time I got back, they must have did something because they're not around. I got this guy biting me. But so anyways, yeah, 8 out of 13 so far. We'll see how it goes. Plus they didn't go right in either. But I don't think they're that hungry. But anyhow, we'll keep informed, and we'll see you later.